Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to cover the switch statement. The switch statement can be used to replace if, else if, which basically is if condition. Okay, let's take a look at the syntax. A switch statement can replace multiple if checks, like if something, else if, then something, else if, then something. Okay, the switch has the switch has one or more case blocks and an optional default. Let's take a look at this example here. If we have a variable here, okay, and this one is just a hard-coded, which we know the value of a is 4, right? And in the real world, in the real project, this one can be changed to be other values based on different scenarios, okay? And here we just hard-coded 4 here. And switch, this is a keyword. And after that, you give a condition, okay? Here can be an expression here, like I plus j or something. And the value gonna be compared with what? The value of a hold here, gonna be compared with what thing? 3, 4, 5 here. The case is like inside the one if condition, okay? Like if it's kind of like for this one, it's like if a equals 3, it will do the things inside between the block and the column. And else if a equals 4, then we'll do something else. Else if a equals 5, do something. Add else, which the default case is this one. So in our case 3 is too small, and case 4, we know it's gonna happen what? A is 4, so it's gonna match this case, and then it's gonna execute all the things inside the case 4, okay? And or after we have break, and it's gonna be skip for all others, okay? And default one, if it doesn't match 3, 4, 5, then you're gonna execute the default. And here have something we have to keep in mind. If there's no break, then the execution continues the next case without any checking. Okay, I will show you in the IDE for the cases. Okay, wait for a second, and I'll bring my IDE. So the first one I will show you when we have breaks here. Okay, I will open this one in browser and to see the output. Switch. I want make it smaller, a little bit smaller more. I want to show you bigger. That's why I was changing. Wait for a second. So here, because here I'm using alert. Okay, let me using console.log. I don't like alert actually, because I have to click it to stop it. Okay, I will format the document. Okay, it's gonna be the same as before. Now I will open in the browser again, and let's see. Okay, here, let's see here. In my console, you will see exactly, because my a is equals to 4. Now, if I change this one, my a equals to 3, okay, it's gonna be the value of this one gonna be 5, right? Then I will refresh our page. You will see too big, okay? And if I make this one to be 5, and we know the value is 7, and we don't have any case, the value is 7. So it will go to the default one. Okay, let's take a look at. Go to the default one. I don't know such values. Okay, so default one. And now let me show you if we don't have break. Suppose I don't have break here. If I don't have break here, okay? Don't have break here. I don't have break here. And our do condition is 3. Okay, 3. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. It will match this case, but I don't have break. So you will see all of them gonna be executed. Too small, exactly too big, and I don't know such values. Okay, and that's this statement saying. If there's no break, then the execution continues with the next case without any checking. Okay, and let's do one more thing here. Suppose I add a break here. Okay, I add a break here, which means when 2 and a plus is still 3, let's see what's gonna happen. You will see only 2 statements, too small and exactly. Because it go to case 3 and you will execute this one because I don't have break. It will continue on case 4 without checking, so you will see exactly. But in case 4, I add a break, and after break, it's gonna stop. Okay. And if we make this one to be 3, and we know the value is 5, right? We know the value is 5. We will see too big. And I don't have break, so you can continue. So you will see too big and don't know such values. Too big, I don't know such values. So when we write a switch statement, make sure you have a break. Otherwise, it can cause some issues. You don't expect that. Okay. That's it for this video of a switch statement. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.